For those searching for an all-in-one cryptocurrency platform at a reasonable fee, Crypto.com may be a good option. The more native Crypto.com Chronos or CRO tokens you could stake, the more perks you'll get from this exchange. Even without the CRO rewards, it's a great low-fee cryptocurrency exchange with over 150 cryptocurrencies offered in the US. Crypto.com was formed in Hong Kong in 2016. It provides over 250 cryptocurrencies to 10 million consumers globally. It's an excellent site for active traders and anybody interested in utilizing cryptocurrency. Let's go over some of the cool features that set it apart from other platforms. So let's start with its trading. Crypto.com's mobile app is accessible for Android and iOS smartphones and serves as its key center. If you're used to trading stocks using a smartphone app, you'll probably find the process simple and easy. The Crypto.com app allows you to check your portfolio and a list of popular assets instantly. The mobile app offers everything you need to trade currencies or earn money by staking your cryptocurrencies, making payments, and signing up for a Crypto.com credit card. Its chart tools are simplistic and don't provide a lot of information. However, each currency's website offers a quick explanation and links to more thorough information, allowing you to discover how the blockchain and money function before purchasing. Crypto.com also accepts fiat currencies such as the Australian dollar, the Canadian dollar, euro, pound sterling, and the United States dollar and Brazilian real. This adaptability enables customers in a variety of nations to simply acquire cryptocurrency using their local money. Now let's talk about fees, which are often disregarded and wind up costing some individuals a small amount in the long run. So on the Crypto.com exchange, the normal fee rate is 0.1% maker charge and a 0.16% taker fee. On the other hand, Kraken charges 0.1% in maker fees and 0.26% in taker costs. Coinbase Pro costs a soul-crushing 0.5% fee for any fee type, meaning that the Crypto.com exchange offers very competitive prices compared to some of the leading exchanges. That being said, there are two methods to lower those costs. The first is to conduct a lot of trading activity on the exchange during the 30-day time frame. If you can trade more than $100 million in volume in 30 days, you can reduce those costs to 0.4% for makers and 0.1% for takers. The second and far simpler alternative is to stake 10,000 CRO coins on the exchange, which will earn you a 20% trading fee reduction. So if you wish to pay fewer costs, you'll need to get CRO tokens. Although it is not a sunk expense, you are still vulnerable to CRO price changes. Crypto.com offers a lot more with discounts, including its CRO, and the more CRO you are prepared to invest or deposit with Crypto.com, the greater will be the rewards. You could call Crypto.com a one-stop shop because Crypto.com is more similar to a crypto bank than a cryptocurrency exchange or brokerage. You could, indeed, buy and sell cryptos on the exchange. You can also exchange them with other decentralized wallet users. You can spend your crypto using a prepaid Visa card, making it an excellent alternative for making crypto payments. You could well be paid in cryptocurrency, deposit your cash into an interest-bearing account, and, in certain countries, get a cryptocurrency loan. Then there are crypto Visa cards, which are, to be honest, what Crypto.com is most known for. Crypto.com provides 5 prepaid Visa cards and you can use them any place Visa is accepted, but you must top them up before you can spend money. And the more CRO you stake, as with its other products, the bigger the advantages. The top-tier Obsidian card will get you 8% cash back and comes with many added benefits. To qualify, you must stake around $400,000 in CRO. If you don't have a lot of cash, the no-risk Midnight Blue card gives you 1% back on purchases. You'll also earn 2% back on a $400 stake with the Ruby Steel card. There is no annual cost, and depending on the card, you'll get a certain number of free ATM withdrawals and international transactions each month. Next is interest of Crypto.com. Account holders could earn significant interest rates. The lowest interest rates on Crypto.com are higher than the finest high-yield savings accounts. The greatest interest rate you can receive is 14%, but you need to have a lot of CRO to qualify. Your interest rate is determined by how long you leave money, the currency you save, and the quantity of CRO you have staked. You could raise your interest rate if you stake more than 4,000 CRO. You get even more if you stake more than 4,000, deposit it for a 3-month term, or invest in a stablecoin. So now that you understand what Crypto.com is all about, there is one crucial question you should ask yourself before ever thinking of using their exchange. Is it safe? To be honest, crypto exchanges are plenty, and we must understand that the crypto business is still very much a new industry. Yes, some take shortcuts, some actively swindle their customers, and others are useless, so it's a good idea to double-check an exchange's legitimacy before placing any of your hard-earned money in it. So how does the Crypto.com exchange make the cut? When it comes to coin storage, Crypto.com has a cold storage policy in which they keep all of their users' cryptocurrencies in offline wallets. Basically, they are wallets that are not linked to the internet. This was reinforced by Crypto.com's strategic cooperation with the Ledger, which included integrating their institutional-grade custody solution Ledger Vault and using additional security measures like multi-signature technologies. But that's not all. In addition, Crypto.com has received a $360 million insurance coverage to safeguard consumers from security breaches. That all sounds fantastic, but I'm sure many of you are asking how Crypto.com handles withdrawals if all user funds are stored in cold storage. They do, however, have hot wallets that are utilized for daily withdrawal requests for some consumers. However, since these hot wallets are backed by corporate assets Crypto.com funds, if these hot wallets are hacked, it is Crypto.com that suffers, not you or me. And Crypto.com is on fire when it comes to regulatory compliance and risk management processes. They seem to have obtained as many compliance certificates as possible. However, many of us in the cryptocurrency community respect our privacy and personal data. Therefore, the Crypto.com exchange is most likely not for you if you value your privacy. The reason for such security is because Crypto.com filters all deposits for anti-money laundering and anti-terrorist funding compliance, and they even have a dedicated crew to monitor all transactions. Any transaction beyond a particular threshold will need human approval by the Crypto.com operations staff. So if you're a major trader, that's something to consider. But no, it's not all glitters. Crypto.com has a lot to offer, but there's still room for improvement. The problem of trying to be everything to everyone is that the website might be overwhelming at first. There's a lot to take in and a lot of jargon to learn, particularly if you're just starting out. Even with a website revamp in 2021, there is just a lot going on. Any website with this many items and services is tough to explore. Another thing is that you can register on Crypto.com from any state in the United States except New York. However, not all of its currencies are available everywhere. Over 250 cryptocurrencies and 20 fiat currencies are available on Crypto.com. A few of these cryptos are not accessible in the United States, while others are only available in select states. Some services, including the Crypto.com loan, are not accessible in the United States. Also, crypto holdings can be used as collateral against a loan in other nations. Crypto.com is not a great site for beginner investors. It does provide basic information about individual currencies, but that's about it. There's no cryptocurrency knowledge center and little in the way of research. Finally, Crypto.com is right for you if you want a low-cost cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to convert fiat currency to cryptocurrency easily. You are a relatively experienced crypto investor who does not require extensive crypto education. You want to do more of your banking on a crypto platform, including saving, spending, and investing, and you are willing and able to make large deposits in Crow.